Nursing Windshield Survey, Miami-Kendall Community Assessment. Introduction to Windshield Survey Nursing Examples. A windshield survey is an observation during which a healthcare professional examines the community from a moving vehicle. Here we provide one of the windshield survey nursing examples. It is focused on assessing the Kendall community in Miami-Dade County, Florida. This windshield survey example paper contains relevant information aimed at revealing the specifics of the key community issues, as well as the summary and reflection. Windshield survey example. Geographical description. Kendall community is located in Miami-Dade County in Florida, close to the coast washed by the North Atlantic Ocean. The community occupies nearly 16 square miles and has a population of approximately 75,000 people. Nearly 64% of the population is Hispanic or Latino, while nearly 30% is non-Hispanic white. The community has a high percentage of the Cuban population, accounting for nearly 1/5 of the population. The economy in the community is rather advantageous, as though the unemployment rate is slightly above the average in the United States. The family median income is significantly higher than the average in the rest of the country, $77,000 per year. Most residents of the community support the Democratic Party. Housing in Kendall can be considered rather expensive, as property values in the community, starting with $245,000 and reaching $711,000, are above average in the country, $270,000. The median house value is above the state average. The home sales rates in Kendall are currently growing. Though the boundaries of Kendall are officially recognized, Dadeland is considered the downtown, and some neighboring communities are considered the subdivisions of the community by the population. The community shows no signs of decay, as its population and economic stability continue to grow. Health resources. Kendall community has a developed system of healthcare services. Besides numerous medical institutions inside the community, there is a variety of them close to Kendall. Miami-Dade County Health Department is the local health department governing the healthcare services in the county. Kendall community has several private MDs providing medical services. There are also numerous dentists providing dental services in Kendall. The main hospital clinics of the community include Baptist Hospital of Miami, Baptist Children's Hospital, Baptist Health Primary Care, Kendall Endoscopy and Surgery, etc. The community also has a developed network of specialized centers, such as West Kendall Surgical Center, Planned Parenthood Kendall Health Center, Kendall Medical Center, etc. The community has several pharmacies, including CVS Pharmacy, Publix Pharmacy at Dadeland, Miami Executive Pharmacy, St. Jesus Pharmacy, etc. There are also a number of institutions providing mental health services, for example Mental Health Partners, Psych Care, Mental Health Solutions PA, and several specialists offering psychotherapeutic services, for example Dr. Tom Bonner, Dr. Cook Maureen, etc. The occupational health services centers in Kendall include Florida Occupational Health Care and Concentra Urgent Care. As for medical schools, there is the University of Miami Plastic in Kendall and a number of schools situated close to the community, for example American Medical Academy, the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, the University of Miami Department of Neurological Surgery, etc. Baptist Health South Florida recruits volunteers eager to provide voluntary services aimed at improving the quality of community health care and providing extra services that supplement the basic functions of the professional staff. There are numerous support groups in Kendall, including the Postpartum Support Group, Adolescent Support Group, Alzheimer's Caregivers Support Group, Pregnancy Support Group, etc. West Kendall Baptist Hospital is a part of Baptist Health South Florida, which is a faith-based organization with nonprofit health, well-being, and medical excellence mission. Kendall has numerous stores providing various services, including grocery, for example Winn-Dixie, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods Market, etc., retail, Kendall Mall, drug stores, Walgreens, CVS, medical arts, etc., dry cleaning, Sir Galloway Dry Cleaners, One Low Price Dry Cleaners, etc. the abundance of stores and services makes the life of people living in the community convenient and safe, as they have constant access to fresh products, medications, etc. Kendall community has a rather developed system of public transport, as it is served by Miami Metrorail and Metrobus. Such a system of transportation allows reaching any location in the community in a short period. Citizen safety and protective services. Kendall community has Miami-Dade Police Department and Miami-Dade Fire Rescue Station. Therefore, the community can be considered rather safe in terms of the timely provision of protective services for citizens. Though there is a lack of shelters for victims of abuse in Kendall, there is an abundance of such shelters in Miami, which is situated in proximity to Kendall and has a direct metro line enabling the citizens of the community to reach Miami quickly and cost-effectively. Kendall community participates in the Neighborhood Watch program aimed at enabling the citizens to be the eyes and ears of the police. Citizens Crime Watch of Miami-Dade provides a high level of safety for the population of the community. Services for senior citizens. There is a senior citizen center called Griswold Special Care in the community. The community has assisted living facilities called Palace Renaissance and housing for the elderly. Besides, the Elder Affairs Department is located in the community. Kendall Florida Senior Services is another organization providing a wide range of services for elderly people in the community, including Meals on Wheels, hospice, housing, etc. There are a lot of parks in the community, including Sabal Chase Park, Rockdale Park, Briar Bay Urban Park, Pine Shore Park, etc. There's also a range of recreational centers suitable for both young and elderly populations. Community welfare services beyond city and or state aid. There's a range of welfare services provided in Florida by various nonprofit organizations. The population of Kendall has an opportunity to use such services in Miami, where there are numerous shelters and institutions providing emergency food and clothing. Windshield Survey, Summary and Reflection. The Windshield Survey example focused on key Kendall community issues reveals that it has a relatively developed system of health resources. The community can be considered as one that is constantly evolving and striving for better safety and health of its population. The range of medical services provided in the community is wide, while there are also a lot of healthcare centers situated in proximity to the community. The community has a developed network of pharmacies and other stores offering products that are essential for providing a high quality of life to the population. Though the community can be considered rather safe, the lack of shelters and welfare services can be identified as its drawback. However, the proximity to Miami mitigates this disadvantage, as there is an abundance of shelter centers in Miami.